If you're looking to sign purchase orders digitally, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign purchase orders online in just a few simple steps, saving you time and hassle. I've tested all the most popular software options out there, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, linked in the description below. Stick around until the end so you can take full advantage of this tool. First things first, you'll need digital signing software. The one I'll be using today is a powerful, user-friendly software that makes the process smooth and secure. But don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Start by uploading your purchase order into the software. This could be in any format, PDF, Word, or even an image file. Just click the upload button, select your document, and you're ready to go. Next, you'll need to create your signature if you haven't already. Most software options will allow you to draw your signature with a mouse, upload an image of your signature, or even type it out in a font that mimics handwriting. Choose the option that works best for you. Once your signature is created, save it for future use. Now, locate the place on the purchase order where your signature is required. Click on that area and the software will prompt you to place your signature. Simply click and your signature will be added. You may be asked to confirm your signature, so make sure it looks how you want it to. After signing, make sure to save the document. This is crucial. Save it in a secure format, usually PDF, and store it somewhere safe, either in the cloud or on your computer. Many software options will automatically save your document in the cloud, making it easy to access from anywhere. One quick tip, make sure you're using a secure software that encrypts your data. You don't want to risk your business's sensitive information being compromised. Finally, before you wrap up, don't forget to sign the document. Some software will ask you to finalize or confirm your signature once everything is set, while others might do this automatically. And that's it. You've just signed a purchase order digitally in just a few steps. If you need to send it out, simply share it via email or upload it directly from the software to your system. Key takeaway: digital signatures save time and ensure that your purchase orders are signed securely and legally. With the right software, you can complete this task in minutes. Just a quick reminder, if you want to follow along and make your life easier, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, upload your purchase order, create or upload your signature, place it where needed, save the document, and you're done. Simple as that.